Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this Stable Diffusion AI image generator that's really popular today. And for that, I'm going to show how to do it if you don't have access to GPU or you have in a laptop. So every one of you can try and give it a try, and it's really fun. I think you will like it. So we're going to make use of the GPUs that Google Drive provides that with. So we're going to use the Collab Notebook. That's here, that one here. You can find the link in the description of the video. And as a disclaimer, this is made by Altran, the user here, that you can support him or her in this link if you really find that useful. So, without further ado, the first thing we're going to do is the setup. We can start with this setup. Maybe it's going to prompt something about the RAM requesting very high capabilities. You just need to click OK. Maybe sometimes there's a peak demand on Google Drive, Google Colab, and you have to wait for a couple of minutes, but usually it's fine, you can just run it. This setup stage is going to take quite a while, so I'm going to see you guys just in a minute. It's going to take maybe 2-3 minutes. So while this is running, I will pause the video and I will see you guys in a minute. Now it's going to show that you want to connect to Google Drive files, so you have to accept that. Maybe it will show up also some kind of request for permissions. You need to click OK on all of them. And also, I just want to point out that okay, so that's relevant link. That's what I said before. You need to click on your Google Drive and then allow it, and then you can close the tab. Okay, so what I was saying before is that maybe you need to check that your runtime here in check runtime type is set up as GPU. It will be as default, but maybe you have some problem and it's not set it up. So just check that it's set it. Okay, so now you can run second cell. And while we are doing that, you can go to the second link, it's in the description, and we are going to download the model that's going to be used to generate these images. So is the link, the links that are link here, and you're going to click on this section here, that SDB1 CKPT, and you can download it to your local file. I already have that, so it's 4 gigabytes. Maybe the time you download it is less or more. I hope that less. And once you've done that, you're going to go to your Google Drive account, and you're going to see that a folder has been created called AI. So you're going to click that, and in the side of the models folder, and here it will be empty. So you will have to upload here the model that you have downloaded from this page. Okay, so that's the steps you have to follow. You download the model and you upload to this folder that has created in your drive in AI models. This will take you a couple of minutes, and when you've done so, you can start again with the final step. That's step 3. You just need to run it, and it will take also a couple of minutes. It's going to connect to your Google Drive. It's going to download some of the things that it needs for the predictions and the image generations, and then you're going to be all set to start your modeling or your image prediction. Okay, so I'm going to wait till this happens, and then we'll see you. So now, once everything is downloaded, you have at the bottom of this script 2 different links. This is upgrade.aip. So you can click that, and it's going to open a new tab in which you're going to have your Stable Diffusion ready to go. So in here is where you type the prompts. For instance, we're going to say like portrait of Elon Musk, I don't know, in the jungle, digital art. And it's going to take a couple of minutes, excuse me, seconds, maybe usually 20 seconds or so, and it's going to generate our image that is going to be directly stored in our Google Drive account. Okay, so it's going to create an image in a couple of seconds from now, and it's going to be like that. So this is Elon Musk in the jungle, and it's going to be stored in your drive inside of, no, of course, no, excuse me, AI, Stable Diffusion, going to be stored here. Okay, so as before, just a reminder, in this middle section, you need to upload your model here for file upload here, and you can choose it from your computer, okay? If you don't know how to do that. Then here, in the Stable Diffusion, you can just play with the image size, how you're going to play with the prompt, and generate all of kinds of different images. It's really fun. Just portrait of Elon Musk in the jungle. I don't know, wearing wearing Santa hat. I don't know. It's Christmas, so you can play. I would really love to see what you guys write as prompts here. So maybe you leave me in the comments what are your findings or what are the images you really liked. What prompts generated them? I'm really very interested to see them. Okay, so maybe this is not like Elon Musk, it's more like a monkey in the jungle wearing Santa Claus hat. But just play with that, just create good images and share them around. So hope you guys found this easy tutorial easy to follow. Please let me know in the comments if there's any doubt. I will very gladly answer that. And let me know what would you like to see next. So I'm really happy that you followed the video all along and see you guys in the next video.